Yes, AMC profits. Okay, ठीक है, ठीक है. Friends, today we have Mr. Jagdish Pai from Kerala. He is very senior members among us. I think he is president of Kerala Association. Am I right, sir?
Not president. I am secretary of Kerala.
Okay, fine, fine.
IFA Association. Yeah.
And बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं. Anytime, always ready to help the community and managing good AUM. And again, सबसे बड़ा point है, he's मतलब सीखने के लिए always ready रहते हैं. So आज हम उनके बारे में how he grown to this level, कैसे काम किया, क्या किया, उनकी जर्नी के बारे में आज हम कुछ जानेंगे. So it's over to you, जगदीश जी. एंड सर, आपको ये कुछ शेयर करना है, ये मतलब
मेरा एक छोटा सा प्रेजेंटेशन है मेरे को.
ओके,
यू कैन हियर, नो साउंड इज परफेक्ट?
या एब्सोल्युटली फाइन सर, एब्सोल्युटली फाइन.
सो लेट मी शेयर माय प्रेजेंटेशन.
जस्ट अ मिनट सर, आई एम मेकिंग यू co-host. वेट अ मिनट सर.
या
Yes, sir. You can now. You are co-host.
Yeah. Can you see the presentation now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, friends. Namaskar, dosto. And thank you, Milind bhai, Samir bhai, Ankur ji, Piyush Trevadia, and Shiv bhai, and all the doyens of our industry. It is a privilege to speak in front of you. I'm just one among you. So, mera journey, today I'm going to tell you about evolution of MFD. मैंने कैसे मेरा कैरियर शुरू किया, क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम फेस किया, उसका सॉल्यूशन कैसे मैंने निकाला, और क्या क्या गुड प्रैक्टिसेस में फॉलो करता हूँ, एंड द कंप्लीट जर्नी. अभी मैंने शुरू किया था मेरा जर्नी 2010 में. 2010 में मैं ये इंडस्ट्री में आने के पहले 15 साल में डिफरेंट कंपनीज में वर्क किया. थॉमस कुक, मैंने स्टार्ट किया था मेरा करियर थॉमस कुक फॉरेन एक्सचेंज. उसके बाद मैं बैंक ऑफ पंजाब में वर्क किया. उसके बाद मैं दुबई में गया. दुबई में एक इंश्योरेंस ब्रोकिंग फर्म में काम किया. दिस ऑल 15 इयर्स, ये 15 साल मैंने ऑपरेशन डिपार्टमेंट में काम किया था. और मैं वापस आया दुबई से, पैसा सब बना के वापस आया. तो मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं अभी ऑफिस वर्क 9 to 9 जॉब के लिए नहीं जाऊंगा. मैं आई वांटेड टू बिकम ए एंटरप्रेन्योर. सो ऐसे मेरा जर्नी शुरू हुआ. और पहले मेरे को पता ही नहीं था ये सेल्स कैसे करूं, कैसे हाउ वी विल गो एंड मीट कस्टमर, बिकॉज मेरा 15 साल ऑपरेशंस में था. तो पहले मैंने एनजे में ज्वाइन किया. केरला में एक एनजे का छोटा सा ऑफिस था, उसमें ज्वाइन किया. वहां से मैंने इनिशियल लेसन्स आई लर्न how to do the mutual fund sales. और उसी टाइम पे मैंने डिसाइड किया कि I'll be प्रोफाइल, मेरा रिटेल, मेरा बिजनेस रिटेल में ही होगा. जस्ट लाइक HDFC बैंक, हाउ दे आर ग्रोइंग, they are focusing in retail business and they have a lot of retail customers. If you have retail customers, your AUM will stick and it will spread across maybe 500, 700 customers. So that is the one lesson I learned. You have to, you can decide, you can profile your, whether you are going to focus NRI or you are going to focus HNI. So mera plus point tha, I will go with retail business. So आज का presentation है evolve, adapt, change and survive. So let's move ahead. So this were the challenges. मैंने जब ही शुरू किया 2010 में, मेरे को सेल्स बैकग्राउंड नहीं था. नो आइडिया फ्रॉम वेयर टू स्टार्ट, क्योंकि मेरे को पता नहीं कहाँ से शुरू करना है. कहीं फ्रेंड्स को जाके मिलना है या रिलेटिव्स को जाके मिलना है, और मेंटल ब्लॉक क्या कैसे प्रेजेंट करना है मेरे को पता नहीं था. और मैंने ऐसे शुरू किया टू डू लिस्ट. टू डू लिस्ट इज वन ऑफ द major thing which helped me to grow in my business. जब भी every day, tomorrow if I go and start the day, previous day I'll make a list, to-do list. उसमें 10 different activities what I should do, किसको मिलना है, क्या करना है, ऑपरेशन में क्या प्रॉब्लम है, वो कैसे सॉल्व करना है, सब लिख के जाऊंगा, रात को लिखूंगा, सुबह सुबह मैं ऑफिस में जाऊंगा तो उसमें प्रायोरिटी होगा, 10 आइटम लिखा तो first top 4 items I'll give priority, which will generate business. So that is what I have followed. So to-do list is the game changer. और ये भी है, meet at least 2 prospects every day. In the beginning, I take my bike, go and I target 5 or 6 customers. I go and meet them, and that is how I start the day. I started working by using a bike, and these are the mistakes. जो mistake मैंने किया, so from mistake we should learn. So let me explain what are the mistakes I have done in my career, and hope some of them are followed by you also. Not hiring a staff from the start of the business. हमारा मेंटालिटी ऐसा है कि हमको पैसा मिलता है म्यूचुअल फंड से, लेकिन एक भी पैसा हम स्टाफ को हायर करके नहीं स्पेंड करेंगे. सो ऐसे 5 साल 6 साल 7 साल गया. एवरी डे आई विल स्टार्ट इन द मॉर्निंग, आफ्टरनून इवनिंग आई विल बी डेड टायर्ड. सभी काम मैं ही करूंगा, पेपर फॉर्म फिलिंग, कस्टमर मीटिंग, गोइंग टू एएमसी, कॉलिंग. सो आई वाज नॉट एबल टू डू द स्ट्रैटेजी. So that is the mistake I identified after 5 or 6 years. अभी मेरे को पता है, मैं if I should have hired a staff in 2010, my AUM would have been 3 times from what I am having now. And venturing into second mistake, what I did in the mutual fund while doing the mutual fund business, venturing into a new business where I don't have any skills or knowledge, and it was a big failure. हम सभी कभी भी सोचते हैं कि ऐसा लीन सीजन आया 2013 और 14 में म्यूचुअल फंड में लीन सीजन आया. सो मैंने सोचा ये फूड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बिजनेस बहुत ही अच्छा है, लेट्स ट्राई दैट. वो क्या किया, मैं और मेरा एक दोस्तार मिलके वो फूड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बिजनेस में वेंचर किया. वो प्लानिंग कुछ भी नहीं किया, और ये हम ये स्वीट्स सब बना के हम सप्लाई करने को शुरू किया. सो we were depending on a third person. We don't know anything ABCD of that business. We took a person who can cook the food from Tamil Nadu. Whether there is a job or no job, we have to pay 1,000 rupees every day, and we have to buy a new auto rickshaw and hire 2 staff. So जो भी पैसा मेरे को मिलता था म्यूचुअल फंड से, वो पूरा पैसा ये बिजनेस में जा रहा था. So 6 महीने के अंदर हमको पता चला कि यू कैनॉट रन 2 बिजनेस साइमल्टेनियसली. आपका कोर बिजनेस है म्यूचुअल फंड, and you are venturing into a different business where you don't have any domain knowledge. So that was the second mistake. So I lost 3 lakh rupees in 6 months. So that was the biggest lesson for me to come back strongly in this mutual fund business. ये म्यूचुअल फंड बिजनेस इतना अच्छा बिजनेस है, इसमें just we are selling our knowledge. Raw material नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है, and only thing you have to have passion, knowledge, acquire maximum knowledge, sit in front of the customer, explain to them, help them. And that is how I started. The failure, एक business में fail हुआ, उसी के कारण मेरे को ये म्यूचुअल फंड बिजनेस में इतना अच्छा करने का मेरे को आइडिया मिला. And third point, mistake, not diversify into products like health insurance and term insurance. ये म्यूचुअल फंड के साथ साथ you have to have health insurance and term insurance. And in the beginning, mutual fund I was selling only equity funds. Sell only equity, 95% equity. So अभी change किया मैंने. अभी क्या करने शुरू किया है कि I'll sell little bit of debt, like conservative debt or dynamic asset allocation, or ऐसे just telling the product, ऐसा वाला प्रोडक्ट भी ऐड करना है. उसमें क्या है कि कस्टमर विल गेट मे बी 9 और 10%, बट झंझट नहीं है, हमको ये स्विच करने का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, और लिटिल बिट ऑफ गोल्ड भी दे रहा हो अभी. किस लिए कि gold is a inversely proportionate. Whenever market comes down, gold will perform. So I have started giving a small percent, 5 to 10% in gold also. These are the lesson learned. So mistakes में से हमको we have to learn and change the strategy. And fifth mistake, not reviewing portfolio at regular intervals. As I was into retail. See, retail ka problem hai, we keep on chasing new customers every now and then. Every month we will keep on adding 3 or 4 customers, but we don't get time to focus on reviews. So अभी वो mistake मैंने पता किया. अभी क्या last 2 years से I have started reviewing it. जब भी review शुरू किया, मेरा business double होने लगा. How it is means if you review and tell the customer, sir, आपका इतना 5 fund है, उसमें से 3 perform कर रहा है, 2 perform नहीं कर रहा है, तो just interact with the customer. Immediately he will tell, जगदीश मेरे पास अभी 5,000 का SIP है, you increase it to 5,000. So the number of times you interact with customers, the chances of you getting more business is very high. So that is the another good thing happened. And 6, not abreasting technology. 5 साल के पहले technology इतना we thought चलेगा, ऐसे ही चलेगा, let's see, आगे जाके देख लेंगे. So that was the thing. So ingredients for success क्या है? What are the processes I am follow? What are the good practices I follow? Where I get success? So some of the points what I am going to explain will help you also. If you want, you can note it down. Write down monthly targets. Chase them in first 10 days. If you so every month पहले से मैं टारगेट करता था, ये महीना मेरे को 50,000 का SIP करना ही करना है. So I'll put pressure on me in the first 10 days of the month. पहले 10 days, if I can achieve 25,000 of the SIP, I'm damn sure कि 20th के अंदर मैं 50,000 का SIP अचीव कर सकता हूँ. ऐसे मैंने मंथ ऑन मंथ SIP बुक बिल्ड करके ही गया. So SIP book helped me very good way, and SIP is my success का major portion SIP है. Create a WhatsApp broadcast group to keep connected with customers regularly. Post personal finance info like NPS, term insurance, will, indexation, जो भी ज्ञान है you have to share. जो भी अच्छा images जो AMG से मिलता है, कहीं से भी अच्छा, और सबसे अच्छा messages है आपको draft करना, your own stories, short stories. So एक बार मैंने मेरे बच्चे का स्टोरी ऐसे लिखा कि मैंने मेरे बच्चे के लिए बीटेक के लिए 5 लाख रुपया ईयर मार्क किया था. जब भी एक्चुअल इवेंट के इट वाज 20 लाख रुपीस. वो मैंने क्या किया, एक स्टोरी के जैसे लिख दिया और मेरे 700 कस्टमर्स को ऐसे ही फ्लैश किया. So that was eye opener for many of the customers. So they know if you don't plan for your education, your marriage, it will be big problem when the event came. And next is, and my dear friends, this WhatsApp group is helping me quite a lot. 700 customers every day morning. I'll change the status of you give quality stuff, content. जहीं पे से बुक रीड करना है, वहां से अच्छा कोट मिलेगा, तो सेम कोट नहीं डालने का है. तभी everybody is using, you don't use same quotes. You be हटके, you have to be different and you have to find out, you have to work for that. मैं status अच्छा content status डालने के लिए sometimes I spend 1 hour to search good content. And nowadays many of the new contacts in my mobile, they are hooking into this status. So I'll note down the status and I'll even contact them to convert them as my customers. And create your own stories. I'll tell you about the stories. कैसे story मैंने किया, how it helped me. Never compromise on service. See, this point I'll ensure that I'll never switch off my mobile, and even if small amount का redemption आया तो कुछ भी है, I'll try to help the customer. That is another point which helped me a lot in my career. And very, very important, avoid time killers, social media, share trading, during the office hours. When you go to your office, 8 hours, 8 hours you dedicate passionately to your business. If you switch on the Facebook and do some share trading, that's it. You cannot get focus in your business. So 8 ghanta you have to dedicate to your business. And if you continuously do this stuff, success is 100% sure. And be passionate. Whatever you do, you have to have passion. Enjoy the work and do it. And this is a success formula for me. Always carry a sales presenter. जब भी हमारे घर में प्लम्बर या कोई भी आता है, if he is not bringing any tool, हमको ऐसे गुस्सा आता है. Like that, whenever you go and meet a customer, take a portfolio and study the portfolio and decide what I'm going to talk to the customer. मेरे बैग में पूरा फॉर्म्स है, वो प्रेजेंटर है, कैलकुलेटर्स है, ये सब रेडी करके जाना है. क्योंकि once you do this ground basic work, it makes very easy to close the business. Build trust. Never sell wrong products. Don't chase highest brokerage product or NFOs. This I follow diligently. I don't sell much of NFOs, and I never go behind brokerage. I have a lot of PPFAs, brokerage कम है, लेकिन मेरा बहुत ही ज़्यादा folios उसमें है. So I never go behind brokerage and genuinely sell good funds only. Suppose a customer comes and asks me, I'll do the basic profiling. उसका age कितना है? एक बूढ़ा लोग आया तो मैं mid cap या small cap नहीं बेचूंगा. I'll do the profiling. कितना कौन सा रिस्क, कितना रिस्क ले सकता है ये आदमी. तो ये सब देखे I'll sell only the asset allocation, सब देखे ही मैं बेचूंगा. So in the beginning itself, if a person comes, I used to do like this. 10,000 rupiah का SIP है तो 50% into multi cap, 5% into mid cap. So this way I'll consistently give good fund. So अभी 5 साल 6 साल के बाद, if I look back and see the portfolio, most of the portfolio are generating 12%, 13% kind of a returns. So that is the way to go. To add value to customer, subscribe to MF Research Software. अभी मैंने Engine software hire किया है. उसके बाद क्या हुआ है कि you can create model portfolios in Engine or any research portfolios. So that add value. So when you have, it is very costly. You have different subscription levels for this engine, 10,000, 15,000, 30,000, or you can use Rupee West. That also is very good. But engine में you can percentage wise you can add. एक 10 रुपए का ऐसा है तो you can divide 30% diversified, 10%, and ये सब डाल के if you see the result, you will know 5 साल में कितना दिया ये model portfolio. And if you are getting a big customer, 1 crore ka customer, this kind of software, and you generate a report and send it across to the customer, he get a feeling that ye banda to organized hai, he knows thing well. So you can get bigger ticket size of the business. Technology, again technology. Now I'm spending a lot of money on technology, digital marketing. So we have to change, spend money. That is the way to go. Don't sit in the office. Maybe 1 घंटा 2 घंटा ऑफिस में बैठ के जाना है, ऑफिस से बाहर जाना है, मीट करना है कस्टमर को. So meeting customer, the number of meetings you increase, automatically your business will double. Point number 13. Don't be in the mindset that only top brand AMC's fund will perform. There are a lot of good small fund houses like Union, Edelweiss, PGIM. You have to do some research on the funds, and you can sell their fund also, so that you will get the, see, there are small fund houses, the fund managers are very young. They are coming there with a mission that I need to perform. So many of the funds of small fund houses are performing like anything. Canara Robeco, PPFAS, PGIM, Edelweiss. I'm just naming some of them. And Mahindra. You can look at different funds, multi-cap, mid-cap and all. Fabulous performance. Even quant. You have to study the funds and you have to select. Ask for references. If you are managing client portfolio well, you can definitely ask references. Nowadays, I'm asking each client, जो जिसका भी portfolio बेचता हूँ, उसके पीछे ही मैं कॉल करता हूँ, सर आपका फंड portfolio में इतना दिया है, आपका बच्चे लोग अभी whether they have got into job, please refer to them. So you ask them, target them, and you add 5 or 6 clients every month. And you have to target 100 customer में add करूँगा. इस year में I'll add 100 customer. If you add 100 customer in a year, definitely this 100 customer will give you maybe 5 or 10 crore of new business. Be part of Wisdom Group or MFD Association or develop leadership skills. In the beginning, I don't know how to stand in front of the crowd or how I'll do a presentation. Now, being a part of association like AMG or IFA, I know just do 10 times, talking 10 times, presentation 10 times, you will learn it. So continuously do 10, anything, whatever you are scared to do, you do 5 or 10 times, you will learn it. So be part of MFD Association and develop leadership skills. When we organize any events and address people, your managerial capabilities will double. So don't think that what we will get from association, you have to contribute something to the association, then automatically you will also get benefit from the association. Develop networking skills so that you get ideas to develop personally, professionally, and you will have friends across the country. मेरे अभी केरला में बैठ के मैंने इतना नेटवर्क किया है. I have friends across India now. If I want to go to Delhi or Mumbai or Gujarat, I have friends there. Milind Bhai है उधर, and Mumbai में पीयूष भाई है, अंकुर भाई है. So I can call them. अगर हैदराबाद में जाना है तो शिवा भाई को कॉल करके बात कर सकते हैं. And that is the way to go. And listen to stalwarts like Ashish Modani, Ashish Goyal, Gajendra Kothari, Sanjay Khatri, Padmanabhan, Kanak Jain. Knowledge and skill is power. Give top priority for enhancing skills and knowledge. Knowledge is power. If you have knowledge, every day spend half an hour to 1 hour to learn. What we can read, Outlook Money or readers and Telegram groups है, वहाँ से बहुत सारे books you will get. You read some of the motivational books, sales skill books. Be part of professional groups like Network FP and FPBS. Network FP में मैं member हूँ, pro member हूँ. मैंने अभी एक course complete किया, QPFP, Qualified Personal Finance Professional. Very, very, very useful. I recommend all of you to be part of it. And नेटवर्क एफपी में क्या है कि जो भी बंदा वहां मेंबर्स है एंड द फैकल्टी इज ऑल सक्सेसफुल पीपल इन दिस बिजनेस, सो दे विल टेल यू, दे विल गाइड यू हाउ टू व्हाट आर द टूल्स यू शुड नीड, हाउ यू गो एंड मल्टीप्लाई योर बिजनेस, लॉट ऑफ आइडियाज यू विल गेट. कीप इंप्रूविंग स्किल्स एज देयर इज नो एज. मैं अभी 51 ईयर्स का हूँ, फिर भी कीप लर्निंग, देयर इज नो एंड फॉर लर्निंग. Reading habit, very important. Keep yourself updated about latest news and personal finance and face customer confidently. Wow moment for MFDs. हम सभी का, what is a wow moment? You try and help the customer to achieve his life goal. And when the customer comes back and tells you, Jagdish, आपने 10 साल के पहले मेरे से SIP करवा दिया, इसीलिए मैं मेरे बेटी का शादी अच्छी तरह से कर पा रहा हूँ अभी. और another customer, when another customer 10 साल पहले मेरा फ्रेंड था, वो एयरलाइन बिजनेस में काम करता था, मैं जाके मिला, उसने बोला जगदीश आपको हेल्प करने के लिए मैं SIP कर रहा हूँ। और 10 साल के बाद क्या हुआ, कोरोना, लास्ट ईयर कोरोना आया, उसका जॉब, ही लॉस्ट द जॉब। सो इन 10 years ही मेड 30 लाख रुपीस का कॉर्पस बनाया। और उसने बोला जगदीश 10 साल पहले आप आके मेरे से मिला और फोर्सफुली मेरे से SIP करवा लिया, तो इसीलिए मेरे पास अभी 30 लाख रुपीस है। मेरा जॉब गया, लेकिन I can hold on for 2 years or 3 years with this money. So this is the wow moment for each of us. And another story, this kind of small stories, you make it and broadcast it through your WhatsApp group. Real stories will give you a lot of business. So storytelling, आर्ट सीखना चाहिए सभी को। अब राइटिंग भी, थोड़ा सा राइटिंग स्किल भी डेवलप करना चाहिए। एंड रिसेंटली एक कस्टमर, when he was 50, 10 years back he was 50, उसने बोला मेरे को 10 साल में 50 लाख रुपए चाहिए, and he started doing SIP for last 10 years and he completed 60 years, he retired from his job। अभी हमने म्यूचुअल फंड से उसको पेंशन देना शुरू किया SWP से। वो मैंने एक क्या किया, मैंने एक छोटा सा वीडियो बनाया, मेरे टेबल में ऐसे मोबाइल रख के एक वीडियो बनाया, ऐसे ही एक्सप्लेन किया। 10 साल पहले एक आदमी आया, उसने बोला मेरे को 50 लाख चाहिए, और I recorded it and I just published it in 700 customers। मेरे को 1 लाख रुपए का नया SIP मिला। So people started asking me what is SWP, what is pension। उसको नहीं पता था ये म्यूचुअल फंड से पेंशन मिला। So we have to sell that through SWP you can get pension from mutual fund। Why a team is most important for growth of business? Team is very important. Any business, unless and until you plug back some money, whatever income you are getting, you have to put it back some money into your business। If you have your staff, you can focus to plan and strategize। आपको फ्री टाइम ज्यादा मिलेगा। your paper filling, your operation, daily issues, redemption, everything you have to download to the staff, and staff is, with staff only you can grow in the business। अभी मेरा 2 स्टाफ है ऑफिस में, पहले नहीं था। Every month I pay them around 10,000 rupees to middle level staff only I take, beginners, freshers, and +2, even +2 is okay, and I groom them and I give them some, to teach them what I do, I give them some mutual fund book, और 3 दिन के बाद मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, what is growth, what is dividend and what is ETF। ऐसा छोटा छोटा क्वेश्चन डाल के देता हूँ और उसको उसका नॉलेज लेवल इंक्रीज करता हूँ। and I also send them YouTube video links and tell them go to home and go through this YouTube and learn। If our customers are knowledgeable, if they call the customer and they can answer confidently, you will get business। अभी अभी क्या किया है कि मैंने पुराने 10, ये 5-6 साल से मेरा कस्टमर आया, अभी तक कॉल नहीं किया था, ये कस्टमर का पूरा डाटाबेस मेरा स्टाफ को दिया और उसको टारगेट भी दिया, ये कस्टमर को लेके आपको SIP इंक्रीज करना है। Now in last 3-4 months they have added 2 lakh rupee SIP from the existing clients। उसने क्या किया, अब now market is around 48-50,000, all customers are getting 13-14%। they started calling and they're telling sir आपका 13%-14% return है, why don't you add some SIP। I'm using BSC platform, I'm using IFA Planet, I'm using Engine software, so technology, and I also do digital marketing। So these are the additional things। if you have a team, you can focus in strategy, plan। so planning and strategy, you have to jot down, ये next 3 months what I have to implement। Google Sheet पढ़ना है, नहीं तो YouTube videos करना है, उसके लिए क्या करना है, and that is the way to go। and you can also Dhananjay Bhanatia say you can learn how to do IAPs। IAPs is the next thing, next best thing। during the COVID lockdown, you present powerfully and you can get maybe 50,000 because one is a, so he is very successful in IAP। learn from each one, everybody has got some or the other ability। Entrepreneur means taking more risk and making big. So we are all entrepreneurs, and entrepreneurs mean we have to risk लेना है. So पहले मैं जो भी इनकम मिलता था कुछ भी नहीं स्पेंड करता था. अभी I spend 30-40% back in business. Digital marketing ले I'm spending like anything. I'm spending 25,000 rupees every month. You won't believe 3 lakh rupees है ये साल के लिए मैंने मेरा बजट है 3 lakh rupees. Why? Because if you entrust this work to a professional people, they make the content in Malayalam, they target NRIs, they market Gulf में, UAE में focus करके करेंगे, Bahrain में, Saudi में. I got around 400 leads from this area. So I'm planning next 5 years is going to tsunami of business. वो tsunami जैसा business हमको आएगा, हमको अभी शुरू करना है, अभी spend करना है. So अभी spend करेगा तो you'll get lot of leads. You keep on calling them. Even if you can convert 30-40%, you can make back the money. 3 lakh जब भी हमें spend, अभी मेरे को 10-15 conversion already मिला है. If you get 10 customers who are giving 10,000, 15,000 SIP, whatever money you are spending, you can recover. And on top of it, I'm getting thousands of calls. Brand is building. एक side में से brand build हो रहा है. So this tough decision you have to take. We have to spend. Otherwise, there is no go. अगर आप सोचते हैं sir everything I will do, if you have the ability, you can do. If you don't have the ability, you approach professional. You spend the money. So I'm spending on staff. I'm spending on digitalization, digital marketing, and every time you add 100 customers, you think I have to appoint another staff. So I'm going to wind up last sheet. Before I wind up, I would like to remind you all that in your journey of creating wealth for the customer, don't forget, आपका भी own AUM बनाना है. Every month, you have to have 20, 30, 50, 1 lakh or 2 lakh का SIP आपका own run करना है और target करना है. Don't fearful about the regulation or direct business. If you have your own 3 crore, 4 crore, 5 crore का AUM आपका own है तो you can live easily and you can pass it on the legacy to your next generation. And also you have to have term insurance, big amount का term insurance चाहिए. एक IFA यहाँ जो भी attend कर रहा है, ensure 50 lakh 1 crore का term insurance लेना ही लेना है. Health insurance चाहिए, मेरे को 30 lakh का health insurance है. So as per your capacity, you have to have. Dedicate quality time with your family. Every morning exercise, maybe for 1 hour, morning walk करना है, exercise करना है, yoga करना है, or read books. Follow your hobbies. Music सुनना है तो music, passion, जो भी आपका hobby है, you follow करना है. So stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you AMG, thank you Milind bhai, and all of you. Thank you.
Wow, thanks. Wow, superb, amazing.